I got the muffler delete, and thing is, it's just too damn loud. Now, it's not loud, like it's actually perfect sounding from the outside. The exhaust sounds so nice from the outside when you drive by, revs, but in the cabin, it's just too loud. I'm not used to doing a muffler delete on a SUV, so I kind of forgot that like you have nothing but open space, so you're gonna hear more exhaust sound. When I got the muffler delete in my Giulia, like there was no drone, no issues. You could barely hear it in the inside of the car. But since there's no like, closure between the back seat and the trunk, all the sound comes into the cabin. And the thing is, when you're driving regularly, on the highway or in the city or anything, just cruising, it sounds fine. It's as soon as you want to change a lane or you want to accelerate to get in front of somebody, merge, or just speed up in general, it like the higher revs, it just sounds so loud on the inside. It's kind of ear numbing. Like right now the car is in comfort mode, and when it's in dynamic mode and plus a sports selection, and you're speeding, you're changing lanes, you're driving on the highway, it like makes your ears ring. It's so loud. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up adding Flowmaster mufflers to see if that helps. I want the exterior sound to still remain the same or close to what it sounds like right now, but the goal is to reduce the interior cabin noise. The main reason is, one, my ears are really messed up from all the raving and stuff I used to do, so my ears are sensitive. Plus, I have a 2-year-old and I don't want to damage her ears with this loud ass car, so I think the mufflers will be the way to go. I did it from a shop called Kachilla Muffler in Maryland. They're the best muffler exhaust shop in the DMV, hands down. Super nice, knowledgeable, professional, and priced right. Definitely check them out. I did the muffler delete and I added 4-inch tips, exhaust tips. So the exhaust tips look much better now. Like before, it was the exhaust tips are way too small for, a supercharged dual exhaust vehicle. Like it just looked really odd. Now it looks perfect. Now it looks like it was supposed to. I've said this before, exhaust tips, you could picture them being like an amplifier. Like if you put your iPhone playing music into a cup, it amplifies the sound. That's how an exhaust tip works. On the inside, the car sounds like you're actually sitting on the outside. It gets crazy loud inside of the cabin. I was thinking about some solutions to the interior noise. I was thinking, what if I put the cargo cover on, which I would have to buy. It's around $600, which is crazy. Maybe the cargo cover would block some of the sound coming into the cabin. And I was like, I'm not gonna spend around $600 for a cargo cover to try that out. Then I started looking at mufflers, and I found a few different options for Flowmaster mufflers, and I was reading the reviews, trying to compare reviews to people who have SUVs who've done muffler deletes and realized it was too loud inside the cabin, and tried to solve that problem. So based off of that, I found mufflers, ordered them, and I will be getting those installed and doing a video on that as well. And I'll go into detail on what kind of mufflers and the install process and the sound and everything, of course. I'll let you guys hear this while I drive. It's probably not getting captured correctly on camera, but like when you're cruising, like I said, it sounds fine. It's just when you accelerate. If you didn't have sensitive ears or a child or children, I should say, then it wouldn't be that bad. Or if you don't drive that much, but like these higher RPMs when changing lanes and stuff, it gets too much. I asked my wife first, I was like, do you think it's too loud? And she's like, no, I don't think so. I'm like, all right, I guess I'm just crazy. And then she sat it in the car one more time. She was like, whoa, this is way too loud. So yeah, that's why I ultimately decided to get this fixed.